happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy your day today. And I'm always praying that may God grant what your heart's desires, and please continue to be a joyful and happy person. I miss you. Happy birthday again. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Ate Jesh. 35 na gyud ka. More laag and more blessings sa life. I miss you and I miss kitang tanan together. Thank you for being one of my sisters. And I love you. And I hope magka-baby naman ni Kuya. But whatever plans sa Ginoo, okay, we're always here for you. Happy birthday! Hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yes, happy birthday. You know you are very special to me, and I missed you so much, to be honest. Gimingaw ko sa Itauban, gimingaw ko part na sa akong system na uban ta. But makulagin na inani ang life na to karon, but nevertheless you're still in my heart, and whenever you need me, I'm here. And I'm so grateful and thankful to God that I have you as of my friend, and thank you for being so motherly to us. Although ako ang pinaka eldest sa group, but mas naa sa imo ang caring, ang medyo maldita, like a mother. So I'm so grateful on that. Thank you for checking on me all the time, and continue to inspire the people around you, and continue to be the Jeshan we know. And I pray that God will grant all the desires of your heart, especially with you and Junrei. I know you dream of having a baby already, but continue to pray. Just have faith in the Lord. In the right time, in His right time, He will give it to you. So just do your best as a wife, as a not mother, as a wife, as a friend, as a colleague. So God will bless you. Dili lang nimo mahibalaan, but He will really bless you. So enjoy your day. I hope I am there to celebrate your birthday, and keep in touch for me. Continue to check on us maskin layo me, and gimingaw na gud kaayo ko nimo. Super. So enjoy your day tonight, and I hope soon mag-uban na sa uban ta, manlaag ta. So, I love you, and take care. Happy birthday again.
Now that you're close, I